The Magical Quest for ABC, and 123, The Journey from A to Z. Chapter 1, The Enchanted Alphabet Forest. In the magical land of Learnalot, everything sparkles with magic, and the alphabet forest glows with trees shaped like letters. But one day, two adventurous friends, Alex and Bella, along with their playful parrot Chirp, noticed that many of the glowing letters were missing from the forest. "Look, the letters are disappearing," Alex exclaimed, pointing to the trees where the A, B, and C used to glow. "If the letters vanish, how will we spell words and read?" Bella worried. Chirp flapped his wings and squawked, "Adventure time! Let's find the missing letters." Together, the trio set off on a magical quest to find all the missing letters from A to Z. Chapter 2, The Castle of Riddles. Following the glowing path in the alphabet forest, Alex, Bella, and Chirp arrived at the Castle of Riddles. The castle's doors were shaped like giant letters A and B, with a lock that glowed. A magical book appeared in front of them, and a voice echoed, "To restore the letters, you must solve the riddles hidden within these castle walls." Bella smiled. "We're great at solving riddles." The book opened, and the first riddle read, "I am the first of the letters, always standing tall and bright. What am I?" "A," Alex and Bella said together. The door opened, and the A floated back into Bella's hand. Next, the book showed a picture of an animal that loves to eat bananas. "That's easy. It's B for banana," Bella said. The B appeared, glowing brightly. As they moved through the castle, they collected C for cat, D for dog, and E for elephant, all while solving fun puzzles and exploring enchanted rooms. Chapter 3, The Jumbled Rooms of the Castle. The friends continued their journey, entering the jumbled rooms. Here, the letters were mixed up in confusing ways. They found the F tree but noticed it was tangled in vines. "To free the F, we need to use a word that starts with it," Alex said. "How about forest?" As they said the word, the vines untangled, and the F floated into their magical bag. Next, they found G for giraffe and H for house, glowing above a tiny model of a house. Chirp helped by singing, "A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Keep going, friends. We'll find all 26. Chapter 4, The Magical Path from I to M. The next part of their journey led them to a glittering path filled with enchanted animals. As they followed the path, they spotted eyes shining above a nest of insects. Bella laughed. "I for insect. Let's keep going." They walked further and found a jungle where the J floated above a playful jaguar. "It's J for jungle," Alex said. As they journeyed through the path, they continued to collect letters. K for kite, which they found flying high above them. L for lion, where a friendly lion cub roared playfully. M for mountain, glowing on the top of a tall mountain they had to climb together. Chapter 5, The Lake of Letters, N to S. The glowing path led them to the Lake of Letters, where they saw floating lily pads with letters on them. "We need to find the right lily pads to spell out the letters," Bella said. As they stepped on the lily pads, they found N for nest, where birds chirped happily. O for octopus, as an octopus swam by, showing its 8 legs. P for penguin, where penguins waddled and splashed in the water. Q for queen, as they met a friendly queen bee buzzing around. R for rainbow, which appeared in the sky, glowing in bright colours. S for sun, shining brightly above the lake. Chirp squawked happily. "We're halfway there." Chapter 6. The Forest of Trickster Trees, T to X. Leaving the lake, the friends entered the Forest of Trickster Trees, where each tree tried to hide the letters from them. The trees swayed and whispered, "Find the letters if you can." Max spotted T hanging above a treehouse. "There's the T," he said. The friends then searched for U for umbrella, hanging from a branch to shield them from a magical rain. V for violin, playing beautiful music in the breeze. W for whale, which they saw in a pond as it sprayed water up high. X for xylophone, where colourful keys floated and made music when Chirp landed on them. Chapter 7. The Quest for Y and Z. The final part of their journey led them to a magical cave with glowing crystals. The walls of the cave sparkled as they entered, and the book appeared one last time saying, "You are almost at the end of your quest. Find Y and Z to complete the alphabet forest." The first clue led them to Y for yarn, where they found a cat playing with a glowing ball of yarn. "For the last letter, we need to find the Z," Bella said. "It's hidden somewhere very special." At the end of the cave, they found a sleeping zebra with the Z floating above its head. "We did it!" Alex cheered. They gathered the Z, completing their magical bag of letters. With all the letters from A to Z, they hurried back to the alphabet forest. Chapter 8. Restoring the Alphabet Forest. Back in the alphabet forest, Alex, Bella and Chirp placed the glowing letters back into their trees. The forest lit up brighter than ever before, A, B, C, all the way to Z, and the magic of Learnalot was restored. The villagers cheered, thanking Alex, Bella and Chirp for their bravery and smarts. "You saved the alphabet!" the villagers cried. Chirp fluttered around, singing, "Adventure complete, A to Z, 1 to 10, learning is fun with friends again." The friends smiled at each other, knowing that there were still more mysteries and adventures waiting for them in the magical land of Learnalot. The end. Message for the kids. Alex, Bella and Chirp's adventure shows that learning the alphabet from A to Z can be an exciting journey when you work together with friends. With curiosity, courage and teamwork, anything is possible. Call to action. If you loved the magical quest for ABC and 123, the journey from A to Z, don't forget to subscribe to Adventure Tales TV for more amazing stories and learning adventures every week. Like this video and share it with your friends so they can join the quest to explore letters and numbers too.